So now that I have my user answers stored into variables, I need to generate a nickname. And that is going to happen on line 52 in my randomize function. And my randomize function takes in the 5 user answers as arguments. It appends them to a list on line 53. And then it randomly selects 2 items from that list. Finally, on line 55, it is going to return those items with a little bit of formatting in the form of a variable so that I can access that randomized nickname later on in my program. So down here, you can see that I am doing just that, and I am assigning that nickname to a variable called results. I'm also adding a couple other pieces of text here. So I'm saying the nickname, and then I'm saying from, and I'm adding the user's hometown, which is going to personalize this message a little bit and add some character to this CLI. So now that I have my randomized nickname and I have my personalized message, I'm going to print that entire line of code to the console on line 62. And I'm also going to be generating a file where I'm going to save that nickname, and that file is called name.txt. So let's go ahead and run that and double check. Oops. Go ahead and do a clean run, and I'm going to go Broadway. I'm going to enter my age again. Let's try 35. I'm going to enter my favorite color as red. Let's put the birth month number as 9. In my hometown, let's do Brooklyn. Cool. So the nickname is Young Red B from Brooklyn. And if we go over to our file, we can see that that was saved into another file called name.txt, and it was just saved on the first line there. So looking back, we can now just go over the different topics that we executed. So we've executed an if statement properly. We've written our result to a file. We've used a list and randomly selected items in that list. And we've defined a couple functions to make our lives easier, one of them being open lines, and then the other one being randomize. So each one of these functions can be called at any point, and we can reuse the code inside them. So I hope this helps, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.